welcome to another episode of your weekly inspiration. And I am Dynamic Tammy, along with my friends,
Dynamic Bruce,
Dynamic Jennifer.
And folks, we are here today to inspire you, to help you build your brand, especially in the year of 2020. And we're in it already, is the fourth quarter. So we want to help you guys get above your competition and help you get on top in that last quarter. Okay, so that's what we're here to do, to help you, to brand you, to build your business. Right, guys?
Let's do it.
All right, so we do that with some promotional products that we have today anyways, and Jen is going to start us off with a utility couch.
Ooh, couch.
Yeah.
Help us out.
Yeah.
What's a utility couch?
Okay, so it comes in 5 colors. There's a blue, green, gray, orange, and red, and I have gray, and I have orange here, and it comes with this cool heathered look material to it on the bottom and black on top. You get a really large imprint size on these utility pouches. It has 2 zipper compartments and a pen loop here. So minimum is 150 quantity, $2.17, which is like an awesome price for something like this. And it's really convenient for you to store like coupons for the grocery store, or in your car glove compartment, you could organize all your papers and stuff that you have in there. So in case when Bruce gets pulled over from the police, he can just be like, oh, let me get this out, and you'll have all of his paperwork in it.
Nice.
Traveling could be used for all your little doodads when you're traveling, or your passport and all your money and all that could be into the one handy little spot. I don't know, it's convenient for anybody, and it comes in such cool colors, and the heathering is a big hit right now.
So let me just clarify one thing. That's utility pouch, right?
Yeah, I said
my
couch.
note says couch because that's what my notes say, but I was hoping for this big couch. But we got a pouch. That's okay.
You can look at it on the couch.
I had a couch in her office, but apparently not.
I wish. That'd be nice.
It is a nice couch, though.
I love the colors too, Jen. Especially like that orange. And it is, it's Halloween time, but we do have some customers that have orange logos, and us for one, ours are purple and orange. But we do have, some financial institutions and some other businesses that do have orange in their logo. So I think that is a great product. It's nice. It looks nice, and it actually has a purpose. It's useful, right?
You could use that for traveling, because I know Tammy could fill it up with all her eye stuff and hair. I mean, you might need 2 of them, but
Jen did mention traveling, but like
that would be a great travel thing.
Makeup. Or like Jennifer, you do your your little color streak. That almost looks like it would fit right in there.
Yeah, you could store all that in there too.
Yeah.
You could buy those, Jen, and offer them with your nails.
Bruce is
I don't know, I do the 150 of them, but yeah.
I love it. Anyways, that's a great product, Jen. Okay, so utility pouch and $2.17, minimum quantity 150. So I love it. All right, so on the pouch idea, right? I'm going next here, you guys. This is a breast cancer awareness pouch, and I have a safe kit. And let me just show you what this is, because these are pretty cool. $9.16. Okay, I guess I didn't have to have you look that price up, Jen. It's right on that sheet. Okay, so you guys know what this is?
It's a safety key thing, so you have to touch anything.
Antimicrobial.
Key
poker.
That's right.
Yeah.
So if you want to poke someone, you can poke someone. Or if you want to do the gas, if you're doing your gas and you got to press the numbers on the keypad, right? Or
in a door.
Yep, you can on a door, right? On a car door. Oh, I could even use it on my telephone right here. Boom, boom, boom. And I have it. So you can hook it to your your keys right there, and you'll have it very handy, but it also has kind of a hook. So if you wanted to hook it to, and I don't have my bag here today, but let's say shopping, a little plastic bag, we could hook it to a bag and you could carry a bag that way. So this is in the pouch along with a 2-ounce, is the hand sanitizer. And you can kind of see the, we got some nice imprint areas here to go along with. Everything always looks so much nicer, packaged in a pouch. So that is what we have here. And so that's the breast cancer awareness one that I'm holding up right here. And October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So this is a great product here. Actually, any time of the year, this is a great product that you're bringing awareness for breast cancer. So this here is the Safe Kit, basically the same products in here, but we're calling it a Safe Kit. And so $9.16, again, minimum quantity is 250. Great imprint areas and just 2 different packaging methods, Safe Kit and breast cancer awareness. So I think, these make nice giveaways. If you're in the financial or health services, it doesn't matter, or car dealership. This is a great product for just about any business that's out there nowadays. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So moving on, we're gonna move on to Bruce over here, and he's got a shirt. It's a pinstripe shirt.
Here.
Is he down there?
He's down here on mine, so we just look like we're pointing at you.
Yeah. The Brady Bunch.
The Brady Bunch. All right. Okay. So tell us what you have, Bruce, and tell us what it is.
All right. This is a new shirt through Port Authority. It's a Oxford pinstripe. Pinstripe is popular. Okay. Button down collar, a little bit heavier weight, so a little bit warmer in winter, but a very, very nice shirt. I personally like the collars that are buttoned down. I think they work better. Comes in 3 different colors: a gray white, a black white, and an Oxford blue white. So yeah, just a great overall shirt. I will be having this one logoed to put our logo on it. And even if you're at Zoom meetings and you're not out and about, you still should have logoed apparel on. Let me put my camera down. See? Whoop.
Nice.
Here.
Other side, Bruce. Here.
It's difficult to do. It's backwards. Right here. See it? You want me to see my logo? Okay. It's weird, right? Zoom is weird.
Yeah.
So yeah, great piece. You can get samples. It does come in a ladies cut also. So for men's and ladies for that corporate wear, it's a great piece.
Great, Bruce. Thank you. Thank you, Jennifer. Okay, everybody, hold your little products up there and show everybody what we got here today, the inspiration that we're showing you. And if you ever need, any other inspiration, check out our website, dynamicdesignspulaski.com, because we've got some great ideas out there. We've got a whole page full of catalog. And we'll probably include our holiday link. I've started putting catalogs on the website that are our holiday catalogs. So check that out as well. And as always, we are here to inspire you, to entertain you, and to help build your business. So folks, till next time, I'm Dynamic Tammy along with my friends from
Talk to you soon.
Dynamic Designs. Take care.